are you to your family? I ask us that. Who are you to your family? Ṣé you are someone to pé àwọn ọmọ máa sọ pé thank God mommy ò sí ilé, thank God daddy ò sí ilé, tó bá ti wà lẹ́sìn ìjà lọ́wọ́ máa jà wọ́n máa pariwo mọ́ra wọn ni. Another causes of broken home is domestic violence. Nowadays, we have gone past the issue of physical domestic violence. Yes, physical more. But what about emotional? Emotional violence, whereby the father will be telling the mother, shut up. Even a child that has got to suffer more, shut up. Because shut up is an insult. No matter the intonation you use, it is still an insult. We still have homes where the husband will tell the wife, shut up. We have homes where the wife will be correcting the child and the father will be abusing the wife in front of the children. I think create alapa. Dear. Allah never sanctioned oppression in marriage. It is not oppression. We are there for ourselves, to enjoy ourselves, to live in tranquility, not to oppress one another. Another cause is lack of Islamic knowledge. Nítorí pé nowadays, akomani ọmọ yóò ti ṣe tán ìyàwó ìyẹn tí ẹ bá wa Yorùbá jẹ́. The only thing tá máa ń ṣe tọmọ bá rẹ́dí àti lọ ilé ọkọ àbí tí ọkọ fẹ́ gbéyàwó, the only thing ni pé aṣọ tá máa mú, gíní tá máa mú, àkàrà tá máa mú, lace tá máa mú is also a problem. Now, let me quickly rush through the consequences. The consequences in 3 tiers. Onígbà mẹ́ta ni. It will affect the couple, it will affect the society, it will affect the children. Àwọn Yorùbá máa ń sọ pé ara ilé àwọn ò gbádùn ẹ̀, àwọn ò gbádùn ara ẹ̀. It will affect every one of us. Everyone will face that problem of that broken home. On children, it will cause depression. Ọmọ ẹ̀ máa ronú, ó máa affect academic endeavors. The child will feel, what am I even doing all this for? Why will I even do this? It will cause low self-esteem. As a public speaking analyst, we have seen a lot of kids that they cannot speak, not that they are shy, but because of their background, because they have gone through a lot of traumatic experiences that have shaped them to become whom they are today. It will cause a child to have difficulty trusting others. And when a child does not have that opportunity to trust others, such child will behave anyhow. It will make a child have aggressive behavior. Mama somoni tí a bá tọ́ ọmọ báwo bí wá ṣe tọ́ ọmọ nígbà yẹn. Nígbà yẹn ojú ò tí là. There's no social media to try to package that behavior. But now we have social media. The way you behave to your child, that child can easily go to social media and try to find out. Ṣé nǹkan tó ṣe yìí? Tell me here. There's nothing you ask ChatGPT and it will not give you. So these children that we are building now, they know what it takes. They know they can ask ChatGPT any question. To them have one answer. Another thing is that there is higher likelihood of relationship pattern. Let me stop here before I come back in the second one. Let me tell you, somebody is still believing in you and somebody still wants you to apologize. Build your own today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa